So welcome back everybody. It's Thursday, May 13th, 2021. Got an unboxing from Bart in the UK. He had a British Component sale maybe a month ago, and this arrived about 10 days ago. And it's pretty heavy. It weighs, I put it on the scale and it weighs 4 pounds 12 ounces. 2.1 kilos. It got smushed a little bit, but I think everything inside it, got a hole here, I think everything inside it should be okay. Today's featured knife is Columbia River Knife and Tool. It is the M2114SF. This used to be my everyday carry couple years ago. It's got a lot of pocket wear on it, but you can see by the clip. I really like this knife, but I decided at some point that it was just too big to carry. I mean, you can compare it to its little brother. This I used in my seaweed soup episode a couple months ago, and you can see how bigger it is. What I liked about it is it has a double hilt. It has a dual safety, so you have to pull back the liner and then also do this little switch here in order for the blade to retract back into the handle. But it's a really substantial knife. I think you can pick this up everywhere right now for like 85 bucks. It weighs 6 ounces. 170 grams. So let's get into this. I think it'd be better to tackle this since this has the custom sticker tape all over it. I think we're going to open it from the bottom. And let's see what we have. Okay. Alright, first up, the frittata, egg omelet with potato and mushrooms, 350 gram envelope. Got 2 of them. Got 3 of them. Beef burrito style filling with rice, 300 gram. And there's got to be another one of these. Oh, maybe not. Moroccan style bean stew, 300 gram. This is really good. I've had this in the past, and I really like this. And it looks like, lastly, I got the Thai style chicken soup, 300 gram pack. So, boy, I can feel some chunks in there. There's the chunk. That's good. Okay, and that seems to be about it. So, a nice little British haul. I am flying to Fort Myers tomorrow and doing my first yacht delivery of the year. And I'm going to be putting together later on today, I think 2 or 3 custom MREs that I'll be reviewing on the boat. So hopefully you can look forward to that, and maybe I'll post some pictures of the trip and palm trees and the Atlantic Ocean and some of the ICW on our journey back to Annapolis. So thanks a lot, and thanks for watching. Bye.